Something a lot of inexperienced people overlook is complete transfer of the load. The load has to go from the roof all the way down to the footers or foundation of some type. So you could take the wall out and put a beam in, but without transferring that load all the way back down to the ground, it's not safe, and you definitely should ask somebody if they're not doing that. Find out why they're not doing that. I hire an engineer, the engineer tells me what to do, I follow his blueprint, and you're going to be safe if you do it that way. How we're going to deal with transferring that load is we'll put our beam upstairs, we'll take our framing down to the first floor, and then we'll take steel posts down into new footers that we'll have to cut this concrete and pour a footer based on what the engineer tells us to do.